So happy to see you guys again. If you like to watch thrilling moments when people have narrowly escaped death, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And now we will show you the best compilation of luckiest moments caught on camera. Let's start now.
My God, that little boat was going straight into a huge ship ahead, but fortunately there were no casualties. This is not the Hollywood scene. This is exactly a sea chase. A sailboat was thrown into the air by the wind. It is known that the people on the boat were rescued soon after. Two superboats were performing at the sea, and suddenly the white boat collided with the superboat ahead. Fortunately the white boat was overturned, but luckily the captain got out and was saved. These two yachts unfortunately collided at sea, but the impact was not too large. Fortunately nobody was injured. The other yacht is rushing forward at terrifying speed. My God, the fisherman jumped out of the boat just in time before the horrible incident happened. You can see a chain of collision that happened as the boats were swimming in a circle. However, they quickly jumped into the overturned boat and were still safe. Two whaling boats collided in the Southern Ocean. Fortunately, both boats were still balanced and there were no casualties. Really great. There were no dangerous incidents when shrimping boats crashed into a pleasure boat. This situation is both lucky and heartbreaking. Lucky to see the killer waves up close. At the same time, the whale did not collide with the boat. Whales and sharks. When you're at the sea, always be ready for unexpected situations. Fortunately, the people on the boat were safe. Great. The guy in the orange shirt was really lucky and smart, but he quickly jumped off the ship before sinking. I guess you're surprised at this scene, right? The whale just flew into the air. Luckily the whale didn't hit the boat. Extremely thrilling with the scene of whales chasing the fisherman in the sea. However, the fisherman quickly ran onto the shore, possibly trespassing into the fish territory. The yacht caught fire from the inside, but fortunately the people on the boat got out before the boat burnt down completely. This fishing boat really knows how to find the perfect spot. Feel free to eat fish today. The big waves caused the boat to overturn. Luckily, everyone was wearing life jackets and was close to the beach, and no one was hot. This boat seems to be overloaded. It is sinking into the sea. However, those on the boat promptly jumped into the sea and were rescued soon after. This man was sailing alone at the sea in bad weather. A big wave caused the boat to capsize, and the man fell into the sea. It took a while before he was able to come out. The people on the boat are safe. Pay attention when going to the sea on big wave days. This scene reminds me of one of the games where big fish eat small fish. Oh my god, they're so lucky no one was hurt. This man fell off the boat due to loss of balance. Luckily, he was rescued soon after. Oh my god, maybe the waves were so big. They lost control, however, they were able to jump off the boat. Fortunately, there were no unfortunate incidents. Very magical incident. You should not be speeding even when at sea.
So, we had seen the luckiest moments caught on camera. Don't forget to share your most memorable moments in the comment below and click the bell button for not missing any videos from us. Hope you can get rid of bad luck and have a nice day. See ya!